Oh no.
Welcome to Ilija and Vida. Well, today we're playing Don't Wake the Sleepy Unicorn Up. Let's open it up.
Welcome to Ilija and Vida. Today we're making unicorn shell. Stickers. Let's see what we need to do. But we need the shapes. We need shapes. Do we have shapes?
Yeah, that.
This is the sugar watermelon.
Oh no.
See, we only have one. We have one.
Oh no.
Let's open the shapes up. You need to put the stickers on each of those.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, it's a lollipop, it's not shape.
I'm going to do the next.
Where do we put this one by? I can't see where to put it. Let's put that lollipop. Rainbow.
Where is this one going? No shit.
Get a cloud. A little cloud. Okay. With all the
Head. Lips.
it goes up here.
I didn't finish shaping this time.
Okay. Cake. I'm not sure how we put the cake on. I'm not quite sure. Cake on. Hold on. Okay, cake on.
Where's
With a circle. We found batteries, now we put it in the unicorn and it's working. We have to spin the wheel and see what we get, and then we have to pick that one up with the tweezers. Who wants to go first? Rock, paper, scissors. Ooh, clouds. The cloud. I got it. Oh no. That's so scary.
Go. Keep going.
I know I have to get these tweezers up.
Oh no.
You know. Yeah, I got it out.
My turn.
Spin the wheel. Now it has to wheel first. You got the star.
Stars. I have to get stuff.
Oh
The star just rolled out. Here, you got the star out. My turn.
But I need to fix this.
Yeah.
Fix this.
Okay, it's my turn now. I'm gonna spin the wheel. I can't wait. I hope I get that ice cream.
Where's the stuff?
The lips.
I like
Oh,
this
no.
order.
got the... No, you can't do this. You got the heart.
Heart. Yeah, that's mine.
The heart one. Watch out, Vida. Don't let it do rubbly. Oh no, Vida, don't do that. Yay.
Let's see.
How to hold it. Throw it!
Oof.
Don't let it rubble.
Wait, you have to spin.
No, like on. Ooh, the lollipop.
Then let's go. Wait.
Huh?
Silly.
Stop following the fun. Ah!
Oh no.
Yay!
What is? Hey, you're Russell. And that has spin the wheel.
Down the way gone.
Lollipops.
Oh, you can take that one.
What is here?
Tweezers.
Hey. Ilija, spin the wheel.
Now it's my turn.
You have to spin the wheel.
I will.
Spin the wheel.
I will. Spin the wheel.
Huh?
Oh, I got that one. Yeah, I actually did on the first one. I just rubbled it up. Vida, put it. Oh, there we go.
My turn. Put the rainbow.
Oops. Don't go.
Oh no.
There you go. My turn.
No, spin the wheel.
Yeah, I will. Candy. Candy's already gone.
It's
Oh,
here.
okay. I know. Let's press.
Hey!
Yay.
Hey!
I'm not doing that. No. Oh, the cake.
Yes, okay. Yay!
I'm gonna be a little. This is so tiny, I am.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh my god.
Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
This is an ice cream. This is an candy. This is a lollipop. This is a arrow. And this is mouth.
This is the cake. This is the star. Oops. This is the lollipop. This is the rainbow. This is the heart. The heart is good.
Let's package them back up so we can play them next time. Oh no! The way is gone!
Stop.
The shapes go here so next time we can play
Wait,
again.
no.
We're gonna get it in the box. I hope that you're gonna have a sleep and we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching this video. Bye. Subscribe to the channel button.
Now we can play next time. Thank you for watching for this video.
Bye.